Well brought down. Overnight run. Tajikistan looking for space on this right side. Played short. It's well defended here. Villanueva.
Look at the
Again.
commitment.
Headed away by Ingreso. Chance for Tajikistan. Oh boy. Davronov, Nuruddin, brought down inside the box.
I think in that sequence, both of our midfielders were drawn towards our left side, no? So nagkaroon ng gap in the central area on top of the penalty box.
It looked like it was Ingreso who was trying to avoid the contact, but he is now in the spotlight. Nazarov Akhtar set to take this for Tajikistan. Tajikistan takes the lead. Let's take a look at that penalty kick, sends Neil Etheridge the wrong way.
Quality penalty kick.
Here's the moment where the Azkars need to cut through and get back into this game.
Mag-change na yun ang dynamics ng game. Bring into depth. Kailangan natin ng goal to salvage a draw and qualify. It would be interesting to see ano ang magiging response ng Azkars.
Looking at the bench of the Philippines, who would you like to see in this game? Or who do you think will eventually make their way onto the field?
I think playing style-wise, Munigeshi would definitely make an impact with his individual.
Ramsey's ball! What a goal! Phil Husband finds Ramsey. And the trailing run from Kevin Ingreso. Beautifully targeted into the corner. 1-all.
Fantastic cross from Ramsey.
Now we were talking about this getting on the end of those second balls, and it may not be a second,
But it was a secondary run.
yeah.
Which the midfielders were being offered with the type of defending that Tajikistan is doing.
What a response from the Philippines. And now the Azkars are fired up.
I think they showed a lot of character tonight. You know, that was such a deflating goal to give up at that point in the game.
Chance for Weishaupt. Penalty! Weishaupt was set to receive the ball. He was tackled illegally. We will get a chance to see that more closely here. The delivery from Kevin Ingreso. And here's that header from James Young Husband.
Very good anticipation from Weishaupt that it would go over the defender.
Nazarov Akhtar, the man who put Tajikistan in front, has committed the penalty on his defensive box. And this could be the dagger. A goal here could virtually send us into the Asian Cup. Phil Younghusband could book our place into the United Arab Emirates next year, and he could do it with his 50th goal for his country. Phil Younghusband! Philippines! What a time to get your 50th goal! Phil Younghusband just might have sent the Philippines to the Asian Cup. History at the Rizal Memorial Football Stadium. Goal!
Agar 5 dakika yoki 6 dakika vaqtning o'rniga qarashar. Shularga mehriga foydalanadi. Ammo yana mushkil asan jumladan imkonlarin daqiqaga do'ar
He was not composed all throughout.
I'm sorry, guys. No words. No words.
Sidel
He was there also back in 2010, Sidel.
in tears here in the broadcast booth.
When no one was covering about football, huh?
It's been 8 years since the miracle in Hanoi, still considered the highest point of Philippine football. Tonight, that might have been replaced.
Then this breakthrough is